Hey everybody in YouTube land, I want to wish everybody a happy new year. Sitting out here in a beautiful warm sunny day, 22 degrees Fahrenheit. Getting used to the weather. 22 feels good. It's pretty surprising. Oops, the wind is blowing. See if I can cover that. It's interesting how your perspective changes as you get used to the weather. We've had deep cold temperatures in the past week, and 22 feels pretty good. So, Happy New Year to everybody. I hope everybody had safe journeys and a great time with their families. We just got back from a trip to Canada, went and visited family and friends. We saw my family members on Christmas and visited friends on a New Year and had a great time. So I hope everybody else had safe journeys. We had a little bit of a problem last night. I bet you can all guess what that is. Our journey was not fully safe last night on our return home. Not too far from home. We whacked a deer, pretty good solid thump, and did some damage to the car. I only have one light bulb on the front of the entire car that works. This side is broke. This side is out. Every single bulb on this side is out. So there's some deer hair there. Completely demolished. Oh, there's deer hair all up inside here. I did not see any blood, and I couldn't find the deer, so I don't know what happened to him, but it could not be avoided. I saw deer number one, and I started hitting the brakes hard, because after deer number one, we all know there's a deer number two. So after deer number one, I started hitting the brakes real hard, and I'm happy I did. Deer number two came out, and boom, there was nothing I could do. There was nothing I could do. It was right now. Full blast, full tilt, right into the car. But we're all good, and we're safe. So I want to have to save up to fix this up in here now. That's oh well, we're all in good spirits and we're happy. Look at this. Wildcat has turned into a tame, lovey thing. That was wild. Now look at that, all lovey. So anyway, I just wanted to give you a little Happy New Year wish. And a short little update. I'm back. That's why it's been quiet. There's been no sound from us anywhere for quite a while here. And we're back. We're back to work. We're back in the homestead. And back in business, everybody. So, the do-it-yourself world and the off-grid project. Melanie, I think, is taking a nap. We're pretty exhausted, so that's why I'm out here alone. I'll get this up to you guys so you can see that we're all still here. I'll talk to you later. Just the puffer ball, by the way. It's so fluffy.